If you're a field service manager looking to expand your mobile welding or heavy diesel mechanical fleet, then this video is for you. This combo behind me here is built purposely to service a wide variety of machinery and equipment in the Queensland mining region. Starting at the front, both trailers are equipped with our drawbar mounted gas bottle support frame, which are firmly secured to our headboard and chassis. They can hold up to 5 G-size gas bottles or 4 F-size argon, oxygen or oxyacetylene bottles with 1 S-size LPG. With a load height of just 700mm, this frame is designed with operator safety and convenience in mind. These aluminium toolboxes are fully TIG welded, sealed and lockable to ensure all tools and parts are kept safe and protected. Inside the toolboxes there are 4 HDPE slide out drawers. On top of the drawers there is the one fixed shelf. These are all on the adaptable Unistrut channel. Both trailers are fully equipped to meet mine site safety and compliance standards, featuring wheel nut indicators, reflective tape and wheel chocks and holders. So if you're in the mechanical services industry and you need heavy duty and reliable equipment to keep your business moving, these trailers are built tough for you. Call us today or visit our website to get your customised build started.